Welcome to While You Were Pooping. Today, we're talking about one of the creepiest things in nature, zombie ants. Yeah, you heard that right. There's a fungus that can hijack an ant's body and turn it into a mind-controlled zombie. Let's crawl through this.
While you were pooping, yeah. While you were pooping, while you were pooping, yeah. While you were pooping.
Deep in the tropical forest, there's a nasty little parasite called Ophiocordyceps unilateralis. This fungus infects carpenter ants by latching onto their bodies and invading their muscles and brain. Once inside, the fungus takes control, turning the ant into a living puppet. Under the fungus's control, the ant is forced to climb up a plant stem to a very specific height. It's not random. This height has just the right temperature and humidity for the fungus to thrive. Then, the ant clamps down with its mandibles in a death grip, locking itself into place. What happens next is pure horror movie material. The fungus slowly devours the ant from the inside out, eventually sprouting a long, spindly stalk right out of the ant's head. This stalk releases spores into the air, which drift down to infect the next unlucky ant. And the cycle of zombification continues. Scientists have even discovered that the fungus doesn't actually invade the ant's brain. It hijacks its muscles, using chemical signals to control its movements like a remote-controlled toy. Incredibly, the fungus is so precise that it can even time the death of the ant to match optimal conditions for spore release. And here's something even stranger. Not every ant species is vulnerable. Some ants have learned to spot infected colony members and will carry them far away from the nest to prevent the infection from spreading. It's like the ants have developed their own quarantine system to fight off this tiny terror. This phenomenon is so bizarre and fascinating that it's even inspired pop culture, from zombie movies to video games like The Last of Us. Yeah, that game's infected creatures were based on the very real, very creepy behavior of Ophiocordyceps. So, the next time you're in the rainforest, watch your step. The zombie ant apocalypse is already happening, just at a very, very small scale. That's it for today's episode of While You Were Pooping. If this one gave you the creeps, share it with someone who loves nature's weirdest stories. And until next time, keep your mind curious and your hands clean.
While